Free Bands, the movie.
It's over 25 girls in my section. Let's make a movie tonight. You won't regret it. For real. For real. Yeah. You know the money bring the cars, and the cars bring the hoes. What's up? Rockstar life, that's how it goes. For real. We in this motherfucking line with a nigga. Little Mexico shit.
Free Bands.
Global now, nigga.
Who got that drink in here? Who got that drink? They wanna pop champagne, they wanna drink. For real. For real. They wish they was rock stars like us. I bet you they wish they could get fly like us. It's a gang of niggas in here with money on us. They got them mileage in here. They mix that Zan and that touch. I ain't go to church this Sunday, but I had church. I pay my tithes with the stripper, bought a bitch a purse. I'm on a whole nother planet, never on the earth. I brought my whole hood with me and we gon' reserve.
Free Bands.
Who got that drink in here? Who got that drink? They wanna pop champagne, they wanna drink. For real. For real. It's over 25 girls in my section. Let's make a movie tonight. You won't regret it. For real. For real. You know the money bring the cars, the cars bring the hoes. Rockstar life, that's how it goes. For real.
Free Bands, the movie.
Even though I used to act, man, this shit is not an act, nigga. I have never lied on a track, only facts, nigga. A lot of people willing to back that, and if you backtrack, I spoke about this coming to fruition in my raps, nigga. Yeah, didn't happen, nigga. What's up, nigga? You just jealous, you just bitter. Shut the fuck up. This that I've been on the road shit. I'm back on my old shit.